2050, and that's 20 quid. It's like 13 quid on eBay. I'm back, guys. Here we've got some more of this X-Flow oil. The guy at the shop didn't like me filming. I'm not surprised, man. That was 20 quid. 13 quid posted from eBay. Anyway, it's nice that they had it. I'm surprised they had it. I'm going to dunk some more of this other 2 litres in and see if the oil comes out cleaner. So I'm only going to put 2 litres in. Oh shit, have I put the sun plug on? Have I put the sun plug back on? Yes. Yes, I have. Right. So the engine's got... water level has dropped a bit. Guys, I think we're on a winner. I think we're getting there. Another oil change. Chaps, I don't know if you can see this. The light's not very good. I think we're getting somewhere with this. In other words, I think the engine is not mixing its water with oil. It was just a lack of flushing before Gav and I tried to start it again since the cylinder head change. So I think we're good. I'm draining the oil out now. I think this is probably the 4th time today, and I'm gonna put the last 2 litres that I've got in and confirm. Hey chaps, this is the. I think this is the 4th load, yeah, that I've just pulled out. Don't know about you, but I'm confident that the engine is not mixing its water with oil, so I think we're good with regards to that. And I think I'm going to give Gavin a call to let him know. Hello, is that Mr. Gavin Clive Davies?
Hold on a second, I'm just getting...
Thank you. How you doing?
Hello, dude.
Was that your secretary?
Some bloke I've got off the street, trying to help him out, you know what I mean?
Oh, yeah.
I'd help him back into the working world.
Dude.
Toast.
Dude, I got some good news.
You got some good news?
I got some good news, man. We haven't won the lottery or anything like that, but
Oh, damn, I thought you won the lottery then.
Dude, I'm smoking this fat cigar, man.
Ah. That means it is good news then? Really?
What I wanted to say is, dude, this. I tested the engine yesterday, mate. Again, I took the oil out, and I did 4 oil changes, mate, back to back, and it's not mixing the oil with the water, dude. What we saw was the remains of the shit coming out, because basically it needed to be flushed out.
Ah. So everything we did was right?
Yeah, well, apart from the massive oil leak, dude, that's the... So, what I'm trying to say is, dude, we thought it was mixing... We repaired that fault. We just didn't realise it.
Shit.
I know.
That's great news.
Donations are working well, man. But,
yeah.
Dude, the problem is the engine does still need to come out to do that seal. So, that's pretty much it, dude. I just thought I'd let you know that we've got a bit of a... You know, it wasn't as bad as we thought that day. It's better.
Fucking hell, dude. That's nice. That saved you, personally, 450 quid.
Well, I tell you what, man, because people have donated, I think they've donated almost 300 quid. I can't,
Wow.
yeah, I'm gonna have to get an engine just to, you know, say to the guys, you know, I can't back out, but we can continue with this engine, buy the other engine, and just put it in the boot.
That's brilliant. Dude, this is going on so well.
Well,
That's some great news about the engine, dude. Thank God for that, man.
what are we doing, dude?
We're adjusting the clearance on the
rockers.
The rockers, yeah.
Sweet.
Because the engine, originally, we thought was a kaput. I think the word is, yeah. But did a few oil changes on it, and eventually it started to run to oil.
Yeah.
Which means it's not mixing water, which is a good thing.
Yep.
So we're going to adjust the valve clearances to make sure it ticks over really nice and runs well. But we will eventually still have to take the engine out because we've got a
oil leak.
Yeah, an oil leak on the seal where it bolts onto the transmission.
Sweet.
Hi, Paul.
Hello everyone.
And what are you doing, Paul?
I'm getting the right gauges for these measurements.
Okay.
So 20 for the inlets and 0.25 for the exhaust.
Okay.
Yep.
Is there anything else left in screw?
Oh, was that one
Yeah,
there?
there's
Sorry,
one there, man.
Yeah, yeah.
Paul.
Fucking hell. Twat.
What's that bit do?
That's where the timing belt cover bolts onto.
Oh yeah, we added one of them off the old head, didn't we?
Yeah. Oh yeah, it's coming up. Gently with that gasket, dude.
What's going on with the seal then?
Gently, dude. Good. Did we put any sticker on it or something, man? That's stuck properly, hasn't it?
Yeah.
Alright.
Yep, there's a problem.
Right.
So that's the one we've got to adjust.
Okie dokie. How do you do that though?
Okay, so there should be two nuts.
Oh.
You have to have two spanners. You undo one and then undo the other.
Alright.
There's one spanner.
This one. That's the other one,
So
yeah.
a 19 and a 14 or 15.
Okay.
Is that slacking or what? I don't know what I'm doing, yeah.
Ah, there we go. Okay, now adjust.
Hang on a minute. So
Leave that-
slacken it a little bit more.
Yeah, leave that spanner on there.
I'm gonna sink this in a little bit, alright? Hang on.
Bit more.
Hang on, dude, hang on.
No, that's tightened it now.
Has it?
Yeah. Oh, I've
Hang
got
on.
some nice clearance now. No, a little bit more.
A little more what? Is it
Loose,
still tight?
loose. Yeah, it's still tight.
More?
Yeah, still, yeah. Yeah, still more. It needs to be loosened a bit more.
How's that? Dude, that looks perfect to me. You still want more? You still want more?
Yeah, that's good. That's good.
Yeah.
Yeah,
No
lock
more.
it there. Yeah, lock it there.
Hang on, keep the feeler gauge in there.
Yeah.
Yeah?
You feel that now?
Oh, lovely, man.
Slip it in.
Yep.
That was whatever it was.
0.20.
That you see, this might be the reason why it wasn't running right, because this was keeping the inlet valve slightly open each time.
There you go. You know, turning the engine like this without any oil in it, is this a bad thing?
No, dude, it's fine.
No?
It's fine.
Okay.
If I move it about like that.
No, still bending.
Okay. Hang on, dude. Right, I'm gonna.
Oh, that's beautiful.
I haven't done anything.
Whatever you just did.
I haven't turned it.
Look, it's going in beautiful now.
Oh. Okay. Get ready, dude. How's that? Is it too loose?
No, it's touching it both sides. It's
Yeah.
perfect.
Yeah.
Absolutely. You try it yourself.
Hang on.
It's perfect.
Let's have a go. Oh yeah, that's beautiful. Should we try the inlet valves again, or should we leave them?
Yeah, let's check them all again. Okay. Double check. I like to check 2 or 3 times.
You need to get 25 out, don't you? Number 25.
Are you on about the inlets or the out exhaust?
We're talking about what did we do first?
Inlets
exhaust.
are 20 and the exhaust 25.
Okay. What have we just been doing?
Inlets.
What size is that?
20. So you need to find 25 now. Don't you?
I thought of a band name, by the way.
What?
Right Said Kate.
Right Said Kate.
Do you like it?
I thought we got it.
We ain't got it. Never had it, mate.
If you can't find the flats, turn the spanner around like you did a minute ago. That's it. That's it. That will help you find some flats. That's it, mate.
The thing is this thing here.
Yeah. Is in the way.
There we go. Okay, now the little one's loose. I'm gonna do this every time, man.
Oh, you're in the way, you big fuck.
That's it, dude. Spread it all over.
There we go.
Ave Maria.
Is it in gear?
Well, make sure it isn't in gear. I don't know if it is. Paul, you're in the wrong side, mate.
Yeah.
He's
I'm moving over.
okay.
Good.
Yeah, it opens. That door opens.
Alright.
Right. Oops.
What was that?
I don't know. Crank her over, Paul. It's not sounding bad. There is a misfire though, isn't there?
Yeah, it sounds...
It's missing a bit. It might be because it's cold. That could be something to do with the spark.
It sounds a bit rough, man.
Did all these pour oil out?
I was watching that, actually. These 2 are going well, these 2 are going well, and these 4, yeah, that 2 and that 2, they were a little bit
rough.
Shall I...
Go on, Paul, fire her up, man.
Bit of gas or...
Whatever you think she needs to start. Go for it.
Ready, yep.
Hit the accelerator a few times. Yeah, okay. Carry on.
Okay.
Still running like a bag of shit.
Sounds rough as fuck, doesn't it, man?
Yeah.
Is it because there's not enough oil in it?
Huh? Fucking hell.
A lot of the times there I wasn't even on the gas and it was doing it itself.
It was idling, yeah.
But it was going up.
Oh no, he was adjusting the screw.
I was like, well, I'm not even fucking pressing this thing.
What are you doing, dude?
We're thinking maybe the carburetor may be the problem.
Okay.
So we're going to attach a new one.
Okie dokie. Does that say the number on the side of the body somewhere? Not there. It will say it's somewhere stamped on the body, like a 27 or 29. Does it say anything like that? Yeah, there. Yeah. What
29.
Okay, that's good. That's good. You might need to remove that. This little ring here.
What's this do?
That's for an air filter adapter.
Oh.
Does it unscrew off or something? Oh.
No.
Has it got nothing to unscrew? Oh, alright.
No.
Leave it on, man. Leave it on. So we're going to replace... Oh shit, the levers. Look at the levers are different. Got a different lever. So we might have to swap the levers around.
Yeah.
Cool. think this might make the world of difference?
Well, it couldn't hurt.
Yeah.
It's a brand new piece of kit as well, isn't it?
Yeah.
So everything inside it's going to be. Oh,
What?
I've been doing it the wrong fucking way. Like a bell end. Reinstalling a carb in the dark. Yeah. That's what we do around here. I love the way they design these to make them so easy to use. It's great, isn't it?
It's going, dude, it's going. I don't know if that's tight now. It feels tight.
Do you want to try and move?
Yeah, see if you can move it. No, it's tight, isn't it? That's tight, dude.
It's not going anywhere.
Is that one's tight too, is
Yeah,
it?
I've done that both of them.
Alright. Put the fuel hose on.
What do I need?
Screwdriver, you need a screwdriver.
The number 6. Yeah.
Number 6. You sure it's 6, dude, not 5?
No, it's 6, definitely.
Okay.
That's done.
Okay, now we need the
The
vacuum.
vacuum hose, where is it?
Like,
There. Oh, is that it? Fucking hell. Oh, well done, dude. Right, that's the vacuum hose in. Guys, I think we've nailed it with this new carburetor. Check, listen to this.
Yeah.
Full fire up, man.
Yeah. Ready?
Yep.
That sounds good, doesn't it?
Yeah. That's it. Done.
Is it fixing or not? Sidling,
Just need the joystick there, I think. This is it. Make it a dizzy. Oh wow, listen to that. It was the carb all the fucking carb was. Perfect, man. What a difference. It can breathe properly now.
That sounds awesome, man. The carburetor is the carburetor all you want.
Turn it on, dude. Yep, put it on there.
Wow. What a difference, man.
Suggested it as a possible.
Well, Gav suggested it.
Why would that cause a problem then, the other one? Well,
This, if you think about it, this is its mouth.
yeah.